In this video, we're going to review some common metrics that manufacturing companies and other types of companies use to gain insights into the effectiveness of their operations and some strengths, weaknesses, and improvement opportunities in their performance. So a financial ratio, or key performance indicator, KPI, relates two financial numbers to each other. And those numbers could be pulled both from the same financial statement, such as the income statement, or those numbers could be pulled from two separate financial statements, such as the balance sheet and the income statement. The goal is to highlight a relationship between the two numbers so that you gain an insight into the business. And metrics are a great way to measure progress toward goals. It's important, if you're going to use metrics, that you know how the specific number is being calculated. But typically, there are common ways these metrics are calculated in general and within industries. And also be wary of comparing ratios across industries. If you compare ROA, which is return on assets, between a heavy manufacturing company and an insurance carrier, the insight that you might gain by that comparison, you'd really have to study that carefully because you're not comparing apples to apples. Be careful too about reading too much into a single metric. It's one insight, but you need to really augment that with an understanding of the company's strategy, understanding where that company is in its life cycle, what's going on in the markets, etc. So don't take a number in isolation and draw too broad of a conclusion about the company. So overall, there are categories that these metrics fall into: profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, financial leverage ratios, activity ratios. Those are just a few. And we're going to go over some common ratios that fit into these categories in our next set of videos. Thanks a lot.